I reviewed this Oakland A's Prolight batting practice and spring training cap. At the time, my review was somewhat unfavorable. I'm not really interested in this as a style cap or something that I'm going to buy a lot of, but I think I did find something that this is pretty good at. I was in a lid store recently, heard the advertisement in through the store sound system, and it says, imagine a floppy running cap combined with a baseball cap. So, I started thinking, running cap, and it is kind of a technical fabric. So I actually wore this running in a 5K this morning. It actually works really well as a technical running or training cap. What I found was that as I was sweating, this was doing a nice job of wicking the sweat away from my forehead and kind of absorbing everything. It was quite soaked by the time I was done, but nonetheless, I think it did all right as a, like I say, a technical running cap that helped with wicking material on my head, like you wear shirts or anything like that to wick sweat away when you're doing something athletic. So again, style, no, it doesn't feel like a real 59Fifty, but for performance, there might be some value in it. So that's it, just a short update to my Prolight review. Thanks, see you soon.